Everybody, it's Switch 6740 here, and I am showing you a new Volcom duct tape wallet I made a couple days ago. It's really cool. It has a green Volcom duct tape symbol, as you can see, on the front of it. It has green trimming all the way around it. And let's open it up. There's Velcro holding it together. Then we have 3 card pockets here. Okay, and then 3 over here. Yep, and then there's a coin holder. Works very well. It has Ziploc. Then an ID holder and a Volcom symbol that is actually a card holder, so that's pretty cool. And it obviously has trifold here for money. It has a hidden pocket right here and right here. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.